I'm Robert Mosley. If this is your first time visiting the Brute Hoot YouTube channel, add your comments below and hit the subscribe button to be a part of the Brute Hoot family. If you enjoy this video, hit the like icon. To be notified of future videos, hit the bell icon. The purpose of this video is to give you a few tips on how to make the Brute Hoot Owl Call sound like the real thing. We mimicking the barred owl. That's B-A-R-R-E-D, not to be confused with the barn owl, B-A-R-N. The first thing we need to do is figure out how to hold owl hooter. Hold it up, hole stays open. If you block this hole at all, it's going to muffle the sound. I like to hold it here close to my chest. It helps with the tone and the volume bouncing off. Your lip placement, you lay your bottom lip on the bottom edge and your top lip right on the crown. You bring your air up from your diaphragm into the hooter without blowing your jaws up. You don't have as much control of your air. And you blow straight down into the hooter. Now, the best way to learn is to be able to pick this hooter up and learn to blow a short single note. Most people tend not to blow hard enough when they first start, and it's going to sound like, need more air. A little more air. That's the right amount of pressure we're looking for to make the call sound like it's supposed to. Now that you can consistently blow your hooter, short notes at the right pressure, it's time to learn the cadence. Some owls cut the last note off, and some owls roll it. And the cadence is who cooks for you, who cooks for you all. Now every note in the cadence is the same note you've previously learned. Now we're going to do it rolling the last note. Let's do that again. I hope this video has been beneficial. Please leave your comments, subscribe, like, and be looking for our next video. Thank you.